So let's start now with the next question in patterns, which is question 9. So let's see the question. It says, what is the sixth term in the arithmetic? In the arithmetic sequence starting at 2. Sorry. And increasing by 5. So I need have here, and I have my pattern, which is increasing by 5. So what is going to be the answer? Anyone? Yes, Salman.
So we started at two, so we're gonna add 5 each time until we get to the sixth term. So it's going to be 25.
Excellent, Mumtaz. So we said that we're going to start with 2, and I'm going to increase by 5 each time. So here it's going to be 7. After that, it's going to be 12. After that, it's going to be 17. And after it, it's going to be 22. Sorry, it's going to be 25. Okay, so basically we know the pattern here, and we just continued on the same pattern. Okay, let's see question 10. Yes, Sarah?
The arithmetic sequence 1, 3, 9, 27, they're multiplying by 3 in each one. So 27 times 3 equals 81.
Equals 81. Excellent. So the answer here is C. So as you said, here the sequence is times 3 in all parts of the pattern. Okay. So geometric sequence is the same as the arithmetic sequence. You can say it's synonyms, so do not get confused with it. It's just a pattern, just like other questions. Okay. Okay. Question 11. Let's see question 11. Next term in the sequence here is, what is it? Anyone from the online? Yes, it's Zahra.
C7.
7. And how did you get 7?
Because each time you add by, for example, from 1 to 4, you add by 3 and then minus 1. Then you add by 4 and minus 2. Then you add by 5 and minus 3.
Excellent, Mumtaz. So here you can see that they had 2 patterns going on. So first, the plus 3, and then here plus 4, and then here plus 5. And between them, we had another pattern, which is minus 1. Alaykum salam, ahlan wa salam. And then here, oh, sorry. Here, minus 1. Here, minus 2. And here it's going to be minus 3. So you can see, if they want to make your question complicated a bit, instead of putting one pattern, you're going to have 2 patterns, but it's going to be simple. Like this, you can see it's interchangeable. Like it's starting with pattern 1 and then pattern 2, and then pattern 1 and then pattern 2. So you can figure it out easily. Do not get confused in it too. Excellent. Yalla, let's see question 12. Question 12 here, the next number in the sequence is, yes, Yasmin? Yes, excellent. So here it's going to be B, 21. So here the sequence is we add the two numbers before and we get the third number. So 1 plus 1 equals 2, 1 plus 2 equals 3, 2 plus 3 equals 5, and so on. So now we have 8 plus 13 equals 21. Excellent. Yalla, question 13. The value of x in the given figure. So these questions, you're going to face it sometimes that you have like a circle and you have numbers in it. It can't be hard to figure out the pattern in here, but it's usually one of two things. Either it's how the numbers are like, it's between the numbers facing each other, or the numbers beside each other, okay? So they're not going to make a crazy pattern. It's usually two of these things. So let's see here. What do you think the pattern is? Yes, Jude?
I think the next number is gonna be 39.
39. And why?
Because each time, like for example, 3 plus 36, 6 plus 9 is 15, 10 plus 24 is 30.
Excellent. Mumtaz. So here, this pattern is between the numbers besides each other. So 3 plus 3 equals 6. 3 plus 6 equals 9. 6 plus 9 equals 15. And 9 plus 15 equals 24. And naturally here, 15 plus 24 equals 39. So the answer is A. Excellent. Okay.
Can you repeat
Yalla,
this
let's see.
again?
Yeah. So here, it's only like if you start the circle from here, okay?
Okay.
This is start. We take 3 plus 3, and when we add them, we have the next number in the circle. And if we took like 3 plus 6 here, we're gonna have the next number in the circle, and so on. So in order to find x, I'm going to find the sum of the two numbers before it. So it's 15 plus 24.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, let's see here the value of x in the given figure. So, yalla, let's see. Fatima Khala, do you want to answer?
Yes. So
Yeah.
what you're gonna do is add 10 to each number. So 3 plus 10 is 13, which is the facing number. And 7 plus 10 is 17, which is the facing number. And then 9 plus 10 is 19, which is the facing number. So 6 plus 10 would be 16. B.
Excellent. Mumtaz. So the answer here would be 16. As we said, there is mainly two ways to make patterns in a circle, either the numbers facing or the numbers beside. We saw the numbers besides each other in the question above. Here, the number facing each other is only like adding 10 to the number facing it. Mumtaz. So with that, we're done with patterns and sequences. The questions will not be harder than what we saw today or yesterday. Just remember two things. You need to find the pattern, you need to solve the pattern. And if you want to make sure that the pattern you found is correct, try to apply it on all of the numbers. If it applies on all of them, then it's right. If it doesn't, then you have to, you still didn't find the right one. Mumtaz. Let's see here the next skill, which is exponents. So I think, did you take it in school yet or? Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Mumtaz. So these questions about the exponents, they love it because it looks so complicated to put like number to the power of something, and by division and multiplication, it can look difficult, but if you know the main principles, it's going to be easy. So before we start exponents, I want to discuss the concepts here. So you have to know them before starting to solve the questions. So, you know here, then the exponent tells how many times the base is multiplied by itself. So if the base was 3 and it's to the power of 5, means that I have 3 times 3, 5 times, right?
Yes.
Okay. So this is the exponent. Some rules that apply to exponents is if you multiply numbers with the same base, means that the number down is the same, you can add the numbers together or the exponents together. So if I have 3 to the power of 2, not plus, but multiplied by 3 to the power of 3, I'm going to have how much?
3. 3 to the power of 5.
3 to the power of 5. We don't need to find the number, like solve the number. We want to know the exponent here. Okay, so 3 to the power of 5 because I have 2 and I have 3 and it's the same base and it's multiplication. So I'm going to multiply. And in the opposite, in division, what we're going to do is subtraction. So if I have 3 to the power of 6 divided by 3 to the power of 2, what am I going to have?
3 to the
3
power
to the power of 4.
3 to the power of 4. Excellent. And then the next one here, a base with an exponent already has another exponent on it, like 3 to the power of 2, all to the power of 3. What is it going to be?
3 to the power of 6.
3 to the power of
We
6.
multiply them. Excellent. So we multiply them, so it's going to be 3 to the power of 6. Excellent. Any number whose exponent is 0 equals 1. And lastly, if it was in minus, means that I have to flip it. So if I have the number 3 to the power of minus 2, means that I need to flip it. How can I flip it? Means I have 3 as a numerator and the 1 as the denominator. If I see a minus, I'm going to flip it. So I'm going to do 1 over 3 squared and remove the minus sign. Okay?
Miss, I didn't get the last part.
So the last part here, when I see a minus, if I see 3 to the power of minus 2, what should I do? I don't want to deal with minuses above here. So I'm going to flip it. Means that 3 is already having a denominator of 1, right? But we just don't write it. Right?
Yes, yes.
Yes. So in order to remove this minus, I'm going to flip the numerator and the denominator. So I'm going to put the 3 down, and I'm going to put the 1 up. And now I can put the 2 or the exponent without the minus sign.
Okay, I got it. Thank you.
Okay. So these are the main concepts in exponents. Let's see now how can we apply it on questions and see how to solve them. Yalla, the first question is, the number 9 multiplied by itself 15 times can be written as? Yes, Yasmin?
C.
C, excellent. 9 to the power of 15. Yalla, let's see question 2. The value of the expression here is, yalla, from the online, Fatima and Hashim, do you want to answer? Or Salman? Oh, yes, Fatima.
Is it 2?
It is?
2?
Sorry, your voice is like cracking a bit. B, yes. So C, sorry. Yes, so C is the correct answer. How is it C? Because 1 to the power of 7 is 1 multiplied by itself 7 times, which is 1. Yes, exactly. So here, and 7 to the power of 1 is 7. So it's going to be 1 plus 7. And it equals to 8. Excellent. Yalla, question 3. 3 times the number 3 to the power of 5. Yalla, Yalla Salman.
So it says 3 times the number, 3 powered by 5. So we're gonna multiply 3